Hi, my name is Lillian Walker, broker-owner for Exit Beach Cities Realty, and thank you for joining us for the Orange County Market Update for the real estate home sales that have closed May 2011. I think you might find it really interesting that if you look at all homes that have sold in Orange County, the median value is currently $425,000. That's 5.6% less as compared to 12 months ago. The number of sales that we had in all of Orange County was 2,664 homes, which is 18.2% less sales than we did have a year ago. If you look at the resale homes, those are houses that aren't brand new from developers. They're resale homes. The median value there was $500,000. That's 2.9% less median value as compared to 12 months ago. And the number of sales was 1,702, which is 15.5% less sales than we did a year ago. Condominiums in Orange County, the median value is $265,000. That's 13.1% less than 12 months ago. That's 764 sales total, and that's 18.9% less than a year ago. And if you look, this is really interesting. If you look at the brand new home sales, the median value is $560,000. Now think about this. The median value for all homes total, whether they're new, condos, resale, is $425,000. But for brand new houses, it's $560,000. The number of the median sales is actually down 13.1%. We only had 198 sales in the entire county, and that's down 34.0%. That's pretty significant because earlier this year in the spring, we were up about between 70 and 77%. So that's it for the Huntington Beach, Orange County Market Update, and thank you for joining me, and let me help you exit out of where you are and walk into the home of your dreams. And do visit us at huntingtonbeachcalrealestate.com.